boop, beep boop boop. Hi, it's been a while since I've been out in this garage working, and today I'm getting to work. So if you're new to my channel, this is my 91 Toyota MR2 Turbo, who I call Mr. Dose. There's a link up above that'll get you caught up to the last video where I worked on that car. You probably noticed there's been a lot more car reviews than there has been project car videos lately, and that's because I've been saving up for parts for both this and the TT, but don't worry, that doesn't mean I'm stopping the project cars on my channel. I just need some time because the parts I'm gonna be buying for the TT and this are gonna be expensive. These guys right here are the propane bushings that I ordered for the entire car. They're really soapy feeling. It's really weird. I gotta get this thing up in the air first because I need to see what I'm looking at as far as this bushing install goes. I've been waiting to check this out now that I got it up on the lift. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah, right there. No oil leaks, no coolant leaks, nothing. The car has been driven, it's sat for a couple weeks, and it's still dry. My project cars might take a while to finish, but at least I'm doing this correctly. That's what's up. I'm excited about that. All right, bushings. My head fit. Hi. Look how dry rotted this is. I mean, it's just like deteriorating. So I got these lower control arm bushings. Ball joints on this car, both sides are good. So I don't need to worry about ball joints, that's nice. I got a good look at all the bushings under the car, and some of them are in okay condition in the rear. These guys are literally brand new back here. So I may just leave those. Up front, everything is dry and disgusting. I need to see what bushings came with. Okay, who's got the better cold start? The Lexus or Gump? I'm gonna go ahead and say I think it's Gump. But that Lexus, if I had an exhaust on it, aftermarket, yeah. These are so light. So light. I gotta replace the bushing right here as well as the one right there. So I think the smartest thing to do is I'm gonna remove this lower control arm right here at the ball joint. Just unbolt it and drop it. And then I can do these two bushings at the same time. I'm gonna use some old nail polish and mark off anything that is alignment related. That way it's easier to get it close for when I put it back together. There we go. Removed it as one whole component. That was really easy. All right, not bad. I was wondering if this ball joint was actually good because it was really dirty, but it's definitely good still. These bushings are hard as a rock. So hard. It is incredible for this thing being 29 years old, how the bolts under the car come off like they're brand new still. So crazy. I lucked out in that area. And here are the bushings. They don't actually look as bad when I have them out of the car. However, if you look at the bottom, see it's skinny up here and it's fatter on that side. I'm wondering if that's why it's riding like crap because it's just so hard now. Engage time lapse. I can't believe how fast it is to take the suspension apart on this car. That took less than 5 minutes. It's so crazy. All right, here's the big question for all of you though. Now that I have this all taken apart and I'm gonna put all these bushings back on, the car has to get aligned still. So with that said, the issue with having these stock struts and lowering springs on here is I can't fit any wider of a tire because I have a strut body and not a coilover, which a coilover would allow me to run a wider tire because I won't have to worry about hitting the spring perch. Now that I'm gonna have to get this thing realigned, I've been thinking about getting coilovers for it, and the only ones I'm really debating on is the Cusco coilovers for the car because they're affordable. There is also the KWs, but they're like $1,000 more, and I just can't spend $2,300 on coilovers right now. So the other option is also Coney Yellows and then reusing these lowering springs on the Coney Yellow shocks. However, I still run the issue where I can't go with a wider tire. Right now, these are 215s in the front and 235s in the rear. I want to do a 235 in the front and a 255 in the rear on this thing. That means those tires will just get moved up front, and then these are brand new. I'll just sell these and get some 255s. I mixed up a concoction of like 4 different types of degreasers all in this bottle. So I'm gonna spray this outside so I don't create a cloud of toxic gas. Oh yeah, stuff's thick. I added some Dawn dish soap on top of all that stuff. It stinks horribly out here. I think the air is gonna catch on fire. After about a half hour of blasting these with a pressure washer, I finally got all the crud off that was on the bottom. It looks like it was grease from an old CV axle that might have ruptured, and then dirt stuck to it, and it just created this like tar resin all over everything. But I got them pretty cleaned up for now. Just an FYI, I'm making this into a vlog because I'm not gonna stay cooped up in my garage for the next 2 days working on this car. So if I don't get it done, I don't get it done. Ooh, what's clunking on the front of the Forester? Is this thing gonna need some suspension upgrades too? I think it is. I promise you, these were in the car when it was delivered to me, right where they are right now. I've driven both the RCF and the GSF before, and I completely forgot how much of an animal this thing is. I want an RCF so bad. Even used, they're so expensive though. They don't depreciate. Good morning. It's the next day. I just took the Lexus out for another drive. Took it for a drive last night, and then just took it for a drive again this morning so I could go get a morning beverage. So happy now. I'm ready to go work on a car. I'm excited. There's a guy playing up a toy plane. I'm not imagining shit. There was a toy plane that just flew by over there. I promise. All right, time to go. You hold on to the keys. You hold on to my morning beverage. Thank you. It was cold this morning and I had a sweater on. Now it's 73 degrees out. It's hot. This is weird. It's Friday the 13th. Anyway, I got a can of Brake Clean non-chlorinated formula. I'm just gonna go over this stuff real quick, remove any of the remaining grease that's on here, and then I'll epoxy coat them, and yeah, they'll be good to go. Okay. Oof. This Outback's came in pretty handy. I got a 20-ton press. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of my car. Well, not my car, but there's that. What is 70.5 kilograms in pounds?
The answer is 155.43 pounds.
Great, so this box weighs more than I do. This is not cool. Ouch, I can't lift 150 pounds. Okay, I guess I can. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, because even when I get it out of the back of the car, then what? I don't want to hit the back bumper. It's black car. Pick it up by these straps. Are these strong enough? Nope. I'm not strong enough. I can't believe how durable the back of this little Subaru is. Oh my god. Are you serious? I got it on the floor. Success. What I lack in strength, I make up for in resourcefulness. I need more kettlebell. Come on, come out of your, there we go. Look at this little thing. That's so cute. I want to paint it like a minion. Ta-da! Oh geez. Yay, I got a cheater bar. Good. It's better than IKEA instructions. That's a plus. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna stick this thing. That's what he said. Because real estate is not plentiful inside this garage, despite what it may appear on camera. This is a foot right here to it, so. Sorry, R2, you gotta move. Beep boop boop, beep boop boop. If I stick it right there, it'll be flush with this guy right there. It does make it kind of a squeeze going through here when I got a car in here, but this is pretty straightforward. I connect these little feetsies to the giant feetsies, and then I attach the posts, and then I put the cross pieces, and then the hydraulic cylinder sits in the center. Bada boom, bada boom, bada bing. And I know my hair is greasy right now. I go 4 days without washing it because that's healthy. So I'm gonna wash it tonight, okay? And if you didn't know, that's what I do. So now you know. Base is erected. That part was easy. This part is not gonna be easy because these things weigh like many pounds a piece. Makes me nervous working around the MR2 like this. Okay, press apron is held by support pins. These guys. Like that. Putting the sticker facing the rear because I don't advertise for free. So, you know, I got Subaru banners all over my garage, whatever. Okay, I get a bolt ready to shove through here. Don't fail me now, arm. Oh, this is harder than I thought it was gonna be. All right. Come on, where's the hole? This is not time for innuendos. It's getting heavy. There you go. Yep. That's what's up right there. Label to the rear. Flat washer. Block washer. This is actually kind of pretty. I like the finish of it. Matches my shelf up there. I can't wait to get a shop. Shit. I dropped a nut. That's what he said. I can't wait till I get one because then I can do like a color scheme and have it match all the equipment and stuff. It's now time for the jack plate. Ooh, jackfruit sounds really good right now. So I need the jackfruit and I need some Springer doodles and some wizards. There is jackfruit, Springer doodles. Oh, they're grimy. This is the spring bar, so I hang the spring from the spring bar, like so. Okay, so like. This thing looks crooked. Oh no! That sucks! It has to go the other way. No, it doesn't. I'm dumb. I get to try out my squisher. See if it works. Close you. Come on, squisher, do your squishing. Yeah, it squishes. Ooh, where's that? I'll do one real quick. It's working. It's pushing it out. Heck yeah. That was easy. It was like no effort whatsoever. There you go. I call this success. Even though I didn't get it done in one video, I got a squisher now. So the next video, part 2 of this, now that I got my squisher 2019, I will do the rest of the bushings on the car. And with that said, I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with the stock strut situation here because I don't like the ride quality, and I don't think just doing bushings alone is going to help. I think it has a lot to do with the fact that I have 17-inch wheels in a car that originally came with 14s. That's logic right there, but I'm not rocking 14s on this thing. It's almost 2020. They don't make shit for tires and anything under a 16 really. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.